Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you yet another Nykaa haul. So this is going to be a Nykaa makeup haul. I don't have any skincare products with me in this haul. So I will be sharing what all I bought for me in this haul, and if you are interested to know that, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's quickly jump into the video. So I have categorized all the items in three segments. So first I am going to show you the hair care products, then I am going to show you the face and lip products, and lastly I am going to show you eye products. So the first product which I want to show you is a Pantene oil replacement, and this is the bigger version of it. It also comes in a smaller version, so if you want to try this one out for the first time, go for the smaller one. And I have tried it previously, almost 2 years back, and I liked it, but somehow I stopped using it. But now I think that I should give it another try, so I bought this for myself. So this is called Pantene Pro Vitamin Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement. So this is basically a oil replacement. So if you don't want to apply oil on your hair, or if you feel it is a more hassle work to do, so you can go for this one, and you can skip your oil care routine and apply this on your hair, and you will be sorted. But let me be honest guys, I don't use it as a oil replacement. In fact, I don't use much oil on my hair because my scalp is really oily, so I don't use much oil. Sometimes I do, but this product I bought to use it as my conditioner because it is such a good conditioner guys. So I just use it as a normal conditioner. After I finish shampooing my hair, I just wash my hair thoroughly and apply it and leave it for 2 or 3 minutes, and then I wash it off. And you have to be really very careful that you don't leave any conditioner product in your hair or scalp. You have to really wash your hair thoroughly. So I just use it that way. And I have also tried using this product as a oil replacement or as a serum after washing my hair, and I just applied it on my wet hair, and in fact I have tried it on my dry hair. But in both of the case I don't get good result. My hairs become sticky and I don't like the feel of it, so I only use it as my conditioner. So I bought this one, and this is my first product. And the next product I want to show you is a serum from L'Oreal. So this is a L'Oreal Total Repair 5 smoothing and repairing serum. So the packaging is like this. It is a white and red color packaging, cardboard packaging, and the product is like this. So as you can see, this is a very cute kind of bottle. It has a red cap and a white body. And I haven't tried this serum, and I don't know how it will work, but let me smell it. Okay, the smell is really very nice, and it feels like a fruity kind of, or some kind of fruit smell. I really like the smell, and I hope it works so well as the smell is. And the next product I want to show you is a shampoo, and this is from Sunsilk. This is Sunsilk Coconut Water and Aloe Vera Volume for full and bouncy hair shampoo. So this is the packaging. So I have been trying this shampoo for last few weeks. I mean almost 1 month, because I have already finished a bottle of this. As you can see, it has very few amount left at the bottom. So I have shown you this in some of my previous haul, and trust me guys, I really love this shampoo. So I bought myself another one because I am almost about to finish that. And I really love this shampoo because it feels really very soft after washing my hair. So I really love this one. Next, I got myself the conditioner of this previous shampoo, and this is from Sunsilk as well. And again, it is called Sunsilk Coconut Water and Aloe Vera Volume for Full and Bouncy Hair Conditioner. And here is the packaging. It has a very nice blue color packaging, and the packaging, I must say, is really very sturdy. And if I talk about the packaging of the shampoo, it is very flimsy, as you can see. Can you hear the sound? So it is really very flimsy, but I don't mind it at all because the product itself is really very nice. So why should we care for the packaging? But the packaging of this conditioner is really very hard and it's very sturdy. So I haven't tried the conditioner yet, but I have tried the shampoo, so I can highly recommend the shampoo to you, and I will be surely updating you in my some of my next videos, or maybe in my Instagram, about the conditioner. So if you haven't followed me in my Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. And the next product I want to show you is again a shampoo, and this is again from Sunsilk. Yes guys, I really love the shampoos from Sunsilk and they really works for my hair very well. So why not? So this shampoo is going to be my first try because it's something different. Let me tell you why. Because it is supposed to leave your hair a bit straight, and I'm not saying that if you have curly hair it will make it straight, but if you already have straight hair as I do, so it will make it a bit more straighter. So I don't know how it will make it because I didn't tried it yet, and I have really very high expectation from this shampoo. This shampoo is called Sunsilk Co Creations Perfect Straight Shampoo, lively straight hair moving with you. So here is the packaging, and I really love the packaging guys. This is a very nice purple color packaging. I really love the packaging guys, and this is really very sturdy. As I told you, the previous conditioner packaging, it's almost similar to the packaging of the conditioner. It's really very sturdy, and I am really hoping a great with this shampoo. So guys, that was all for the hair care products. Now let's quickly move on to the face products. And the first product which I have is from Lakme. It is Lakme Absolute Skin Natural Mousse Material. So this is the packaging, and it's quite expensive for me, but thankfully I got this on a very good discount. So I think I got almost 50% off. And by the way guys, all the prices of these products will be on the screen because I didn't remember all the prices, so please check it out from there. It will be somewhere attached in the corner of the screen, maybe in the right or the left side. So the packaging is like this. It is a plain black cardboard packaging, and this is the product guys. Just look at this beauty guys. I just love the packaging guys. This is so nice. The top half is a silver color, and the bottom half is a matte silver color. I really love the packaging guys. And you have to open this up. It is actually half of the product, so the half of the product is empty. I mean, it's the cap only, so the amount you are getting is this much. But trust me guys, I have used this one, and I have also made a complete video on this. So if you haven't checked it out, I will be attaching it on the I button. Just click that and watch that video. So you have to remove the lid, and here you get the product. So you really need a very little amount of product to apply all over on your face. So I think the amount you are paying, and for me I have paid the half of it, so I think it's completely worth it because you really need a very little amount of it. And the product is like a wobbly kind of product. Can you see? And let me quickly show you the texture. It's a mousse foundation, so I think it blends with your finger very nice, and I have also tried it blending with brushes and beauty blender, but I think if you do it with your finger it will give you the best result. So here is the consistency. I have taken a very little amount. Can you see, guys? And it gives a very nice glow, and I will highly recommend this foundation to you. And you don't need a primer with this. You can just apply it after applying some moisturizer. And even if you have very oily skin, you can also skip that moisturizer. That's what I do. I know that you should not do it, but I think that I don't need moisturizer sometimes. So it just contains primer in it, because when you apply it, it will give you a silicone feel. So you can surely use that. The next product I have with me is again a foundation, and this is from Inside. This is from Inside Cosmetics, and the packaging is like this. It has a space in it, so from where you can see the product inside. So it's a basic cardboard packaging, and the product is like this, and it comes in a glass bottle. So that's a very good point of this product, because they are trying to avoid plastic, I think. So it's really very nice, and it comes in a dropper kind of system. So I haven't used it on my face, and I haven't even checked the consistency. I'm just opening it for the first time. So it feels really very liquidy, as you can see. So it's not a high coverage foundation, it's a very light to medium coverage foundation. As you can see, I have blended it on my bare hand. So it has a it has a very nice smell. It's not a strong fragrance, it's a very subtle fragrance, and I am really liking the coverage, guys. Can you see? I am quite impressed with the coverage. I am not sure how long it will stay or not. I will surely make a separate review video on this, so stay tuned. The next product I have with me is a brush, and this is a fan brush, and this is from Vega. So I have used Vega's eye brushes, and they are quite nice. So this is the packaging, and Vega's eye brushes, I mean Vega's every brushes are really very affordable. And what's the price? I didn't remember the prices, guys. So okay, it is stuck somewhere. Okay, so you are getting a separate plastic cover, as you can see. So you have to remove it, and okay, it's kindly spreaded out, as you can see. But when I received it and I opened it, it was not like that. I don't know what happened to this. Can you see? Some bristles have gone here and there. I don't know. I will wash it and I will see what happens to it. But on the first impression, when I opened it, I really like this brush, because the bristles are really soft, and these are synthetic bristles. The bristles are really very soft. I haven't used it, but I think it will do a very good job. But the bristles which has gone this type, I don't know what will be done with this. Other than the brush is nice. So the next product I have with me is this is a random product, and this is a nail polish remover. This is a dip and twist nail polish remover, and this is from Swiss Beauty, and the packaging is like this, and it comes in very different flavors, and this is, I think, blueberry, and you have to open it, and inside you get a sponge, and it was dipped in some liquid. So you have to insert your nail with nail polish, and you have to twist your nail, and in just few seconds your nail polish will be completely removed. And That's it claims, but I haven't used it. So the next product I have with me is again from Swiss Beauty. So this is a Swiss Beauty Baked Multi Blusher, and the packaging is like this. This is a very nice silver color packaging with a transparent top cover, from where you can see the actual color of the blush. And this cost me I think 249 or something. Okay, I remember one of the prices at least. So the packaging is really very nice. As you can see, inside it's some kind of a sponge type of thing to protect the blush intact, and the inner product looks like this, and I highly appreciate the packaging. I really love it. It looks so luxurious and classy. I really love the packaging, guys. But with this blush I made a mistake because I chose the wrong shade, and I think this shade is good for the girls who are fairer than me, but I am a medium skin tone and I don't think this is a good blush for me. But the pigmentation is really very nice, and I can use it as my highlighter but not as a blush, because I have used it and it doesn't shows much as a blush. I will show you the pigmentation, and it looks very light baby pink sort of a color. And here is the pigmentation. Can you see, guys? It's a very nice pigmented blush, and I can use it if I want to do a pink highlight look. Normally I prefer golden highlighter, but when I have it I can use it as my highlighter, because I can't use it as a blush because I choose the wrong shade. I should have picked the next shade of this, and this was available I think 3 to 4 shades. So next up I have with me Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio highlighter and illuminator. So this is a cult favorite product, I must say, and the packaging is like this. This doesn't come with any outer packaging, so it has a transparent top cover, and the back is written all the ingredients and the prices and all the details. So it's really very sturdy. So the product is like this, and trust me guys, this highlighter is a bomb. Let me show you. So this is the Swiss Beauty one which I have shown you, and just look at the pigmentation, guys. So this is very finely milled powder, and I really love the color and the texture and the little bit golden shine in it. I really love it, and it blends like, let me show you how it blends. Just see, guys. I really love the highlighter. I really do love the highlighter and highly recommend this highlighter to you. If you are going for a party or a wedding, or even if you want to do a daily makeup look, you can surely go for this one, because this is buildable, and you can make us very subtle look and a very gorgeous look with this. So this is the next product, and the last face product I have with me is a, what is this? I really forgot. Okay, this is a concealer, and this is from Inside Cosmetics again. And Inside Cosmetics is a really very affordable brand, and you get really very good quality products at a very reasonable price. So the packaging is like this. This is a golden color packaging. It's a cardboard packaging, and the product is like this. So I have used a Inside Cosmetic concealer before, but that was a different one, not this one. So this was very affordable. I think not more than 100 or 120. I don't remember the price. You can see it on the screen. So this is the applicator, and okay, let me show you here. Just see the pigmentation, guys. The consistency is really very nice, and thankfully I got myself the perfect shade. So I am really happy, because normally it's really very confusing to choose the right shade for you. I I can find the shade name. Okay, I will attach it on the screen as well. So the next two products I have with me is lip liners, and these are from Swiss Beauty. And again, these are really very affordable and good quality lip liner. So this one is a pink one, and this is a purple color. So I will show you the pigmentation. Okay, I just broke the tip a little bit. Okay, just see the pigmentation, guys. And these are really buttery soft. I really liked it. And I have used this purple one on my lips once. And the pigmentation of these lip liners are really very nice, guys. I really like this one, and these are really very affordable. If you want to buy yourself affordable lip liners, you can surely buy this one, and these are available in very other different colors. So you will get almost all the colors which you want in your lip liners. So you can also go for the set, and I think in Amazon or Flipkart you will get the all set of this lip liner in a very affordable range. I mean more affordable than Nykaa, but as I purchased it from Nykaa and I didn't want all the shades, so I just go for these two. So those are all my face and lip products, and the last segment which I want to show you guys is a eyeliner and eyeshadow wala part. So the first one I want to show you is again from Inside Cosmetics, and this is their Inside Cosmetics mascara. So this is a waterproof mascara, and this is the product. This has a blue color body, and at the top you get a transparent cover, and when you open it you get a small comb for your eyebrow. So I really like this one because normally I don't fill my eyebrows, or I don't do anything with my eyebrows while doing makeup. I just brush it with a clear spoolie and I am good to go. And I have really very thick eyebrows, so I don't need to do anything because I can brush my brows with this very nicely. So I like this, and let me now show you the mascara. So when you are opening this this top portion comes out, so I don't like that. So you have to remove it and you have to use this. So that's the spoolie. I am not very impressed with the spoolie, and that's the color. It's a jet black color. I like this, and it dries down really well, and as I have said that it's waterproof, and it is waterproof. So that's that. And the next product I want to show you is a kajal from Lakme. This is their normal kajal, and this is I think 70 or 75 rupees. It's very affordable, and it's a very thick kajal because nowadays you get the kajal pencils which are very easy to apply, but with these kajals you can apply it on your lower lash line, and you can smudge it out really well because these are not smudge free. So here it is. I have used this kajal in my school days, and I really liked it. So I don't know, I just wanted to try this one out again. So I bought this, and that was really very affordable. So next I have with me this Lakme 925 Black Impact Eyeliner, and this is very tiny amount of quantity you will get in this bottle. So this wand is really very nice. It gives you a very nice hold on your hand and a very good control. and you can draw very thin or thick line as you want, and the color is very nice jet black color. Next up I have another eyeliner from Lakme, and this is the blue one. So initially this type of eyeliner has only one shade, and that was black. Now it is available in blue, yellow and green shade. So that's really very exciting. And this shade, oh my god guys, I am in love with this shade. This is so freaking awesome guys. I really love this shade guys, and the wand is again very nice. As you can see, when the shade dries down, it gives you a very nice vibrant eye look, and I really love this one guys. Trust me, I will highly recommend this blue eyeliner to you. If you want to have a blue eyeliner, you can surely go for this one. So next I have with me again a eyeliner, and this is a green eyeliner, and it is from Blue Heaven. So the packaging is like this. It's a cardboard packaging, and here is the product. So I haven't used it yet. I have used this two one, so I can say that they are very nice. But ये Blue Heaven का मैंने use नहीं किया है. So the wand is really very thin and pointed. I like the wand, and it don't have a very vibrant kind of green color. I can't explain the color. You can see the color. I am not very impressed with the color, but the texture of the eyeliner is really nice. So next I have with me some loose pigments, and I have made a complete video on how to use loose pigments in your makeup. So if you want to check that out, go to my channel and check it out. And the first loose pigment I have with me is this green one, and this is from Blue Heaven, and it is a very pastel kind of green color. I don't know how it is showing on the camera, and in the side also I thought that it will be a slightly more darker green, but it comes out to be a very pastel green color. So you have to remove the lid, and then you get this kind of cover, and here is the pigment. So here it is guys, just see the color. It's a very subtle pastel green color. I like the color, though I expected it to be slightly more darker, but that's okay. Next I have with me this pink pigment, and this is again from Blue Heaven, and again you get the lid and this one, and this color is really very nice. Okay, I have to take a bit more. Here it is guys. And next I have with me loose pigment from Swiss Beauty, and I have another loose pigment from Swiss Beauty, and that was in the shade gold, and that was really very nice guys. And this time I have bought this blue shade for me. So this is the packaging, and it is slightly expensive. I mean, not slightly, it is almost double the price of the Blue Heaven ones, but it's worth buying guys. Let me show you why. So here is a pigment, and just see the pigmentation of this. This is like crazy, and you really need a very little amount of this. I have almost taken a lot of it. Just see the pigmentation, guys. This is awesome. If you want to use loose pigment in your makeup and if you really like it, then go for this Swiss Beauty one. I will not recommend you the Blue Heaven ones, though they are not bad, but if you are slightly on a budget, because it comes in 150 rupees or something like that, so if you want to buy this, you can surely go for this one. This will not be disappointing for you, trust me guys. I really loved it, because just see the color. I don't want to say anything, I don't have to say anything. In fact, this color is saying itself. It's so nice. And the gold one which I have already is again very nice, guys. So I am really in love with this Swiss Beauty loose pigments. I hope there are more bright shades, though they have 7 or 8 shades I think, but they are like silver and those rose gold kind of color. But if they had pink and green and orange and those kind of color, I will really love to buy those, but unfortunately they don't have. And the last and the best product of this haul is this Nikake 9 color eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Birthday Cake. And just see the color combination of this, guys. And the packaging is also very nice. This looks like this, it's very nice, and the color combination of this palette is just wow. Just see guys, you get a light pink color. I mean, it's not that light, but comparing to this one, it is a bit lighter than this. So you are getting a light pink, you are getting a shimmer purple, you are getting a very nice coral orange color, you are getting a shimmer blue color, you are getting a yellow color, it's a mustard yellow color, you are getting a little bit dark pink, you are getting a blue, or I don't know what this color is called. It's not blue and it's not green, it is somewhere in between that color. So you are getting that, and again you are getting a shimmer color of this shade, and lastly you are getting a red color. So the combination of these colors are really crazy, and you are getting 3 shimmer colors here. This one and this one are shimmer colors, and the other colors are matte colors. So guys, let me show you some of the swatches, because I have made a complete video on this because it deserves a complete review. I mean, a complete separate video. So let me swatch these 3 matte colors. These are highly pigmented, guys. I am in just love with this. I have taken a very little amount, just a single swipe, and just see the pigmentation. I really love this palette, guys. I am very grateful to me that I choose this one, because it's so nice. The shimmer colors. Can you see, guys? The pigmentation is just bomb. And these are very nicely blendable. And this doesn't have much fallout. It has a little bit fallout, but that's completely okay. You can completely do your full face makeup and then you can do eye makeup, and if they have some fallout, you can dust it off with your powder brush. So that's completely okay for me. So that is it for this video, guys. If you like this video and found this useful, don't forget to hit this a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends, and also comment down below what you think about my videos. And even if you not, feel free to share your comments with me, guys. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links will be in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay tuned, and stay safe. Bye bye, guys.